Yay! So I hear you need to ease the tension. All you got to do is tap it in. Tap, tap, taparoo. I'll show you.
So first you put your 3/8 ratchet. There's a little hole for it right there. You put that in, take the belt off, and then you take that bolt off right there. When I come back, I'll tell you guys what size that is. And then you pull that off, put the new one on, put the belt on, and you're ready to go. Alright guys, so that bolt was a 15mm on this Hummer H3. As you can see, the new one's on. It's just kind of weird to line that up. So when you put that in there and you put the bolt in, just feel to where the circle lines up against the block. Let me see if I can get this down there. I don't know if you can see it, but see how it's kind of lined up down there? That's what you want to aim for. Alright, now we'll start it up. Hopefully this doesn't fall into the engine bay. As you can see, seems to be working. Alright, there you guys go. Tensioner and pulley, super easy. Probably take you like 15-20 minutes.